In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Instagram Reels thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. First, let's clear up one really important limitation. Inside Meta Business Suite, you cannot change the thumbnail or any media-related setting on a reel that's already been uploaded and published. If your reel is live and you don't like the thumbnail, the only current workaround is to delete that reel and then upload it again with the correct thumbnail from the start. So as we go through this process, think of it as how to set the right thumbnail while you're creating or re-uploading your reel. To begin, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook profile and that you've selected the right business account or page that's connected to your Instagram profile. This ensures you're editing and posting to the right place. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, look for the section called Content. This is usually found in the left-hand menu. Click on Content to open up your posts, reels, and other media. From here, we're going to create a fresh reel so we can control the thumbnail from the beginning. Next, click on Create Reel. This will open the Reel Composer, where you can upload your video, add captions, and of course, set your thumbnail. In the Reel Composer, click on Add Video and choose the reel file from your device. Give it a moment to upload fully. It's best to wait until you see the video preview load properly, so you know Meta has processed it. Now, scroll down in the Reel Composer until you see the thumbnail section. This is where you control the cover image people will see before the reel starts playing. Click on Upload Image. A new window will pop up allowing you to find an image file on your computer or device. This is perfect if you've already designed a custom cover in a design tool. Click on Upload Image again in that window and select your custom thumbnail from your device. Once it uploads, you'll see it appear as the reel's cover. If you don't have a custom image ready, you have two alternatives. You can click on Choose Suggested to pick one of the thumbnails that Meta automatically suggests based on different frames from your video, or you can choose Frame, which lets you manually scrub through the video and select a specific moment as your cover. Once you're happy with your choice, you can finalize the rest of your reel settings and publish, now with the correct thumbnail in place.